Welcome to part 4 of Swift Basics. There's 3 types of collection classes. There's arrays, there's dictionaries, and there's sets. Arrays are pretty much what you would think they would be. You can have a literal array of integers. That's the first example. You can ask for the count. How many are there? You can access an array with an index. Indexes start at 0. You can modify the value of an array with an index. You can combine arrays together by adding them. You can insert at a particular point in the array. Of course, that's going to move the index for all items past that point. You can remove an item at a particular index. And you can remove the last. You can create an empty array, but you have to specify the type that is in the array. You can append to an array, and in this case it's appending to the empty array. You can make an array empty when it currently has content by simply setting it equal to square brackets. You can initialize an array to all of one value. In this case, it's double 0.0. That can be useful in certain mathematical types of operations. You can have a multi-dimensional array via the nested square brackets. Dictionaries are key value pairs. In the first example, we have a key of 1 with the integer value 1 and a key of 2 with integer value 2. You can get the value of a particular key. In this case, we're looking for the value of 2. And because that key may not have a value, what is returned is an optional. So you have to do the if test. You can determine the number of items in the dictionary with count, and you can determine whether the dictionary is empty with is empty. You can create an empty dictionary by simply giving it the type of the direction. In this case, the key is strings, and the values in it are int. And you just simply add the number 2 to a key of 2 in this case. Sets are rather simple. The values have to be unique. In the first case here, we have set 1. And you'll note that 30 is repeated twice. So what ends up happening is you don't have 2 values of 30. You just have 5, 20, 30. You can insert into a set. You can remove from a set. And you declare an empty set by giving the value set. The value is int, then followed by parentheses. That's it for 4. Move on to part 5.